George Dantzig, the homework that changed math forever. What if 2 late homework problems could literally change the world? Buckle up, because today we're diving into one of the most legendary stories in the history of learning, a tale that proves a single moment of brilliant confusion can spark a revolution. Welcome to the Studying Machine. Today we're talking about George Dantzig, a young doctoral student at Berkeley in 1939. One day, George sprinted into class a few minutes late. He saw 2 problems written on the blackboard and, assuming they were the assigned homework, quickly copied them down. They seemed tougher than usual, really tough. But George, being the persistent genius he was, put his head down and wrestled with them for a few days. He finally cracked them and turned in his work, apologizing for it being late. A little while later, his professor showed up at his door, breathless with excitement. Why? Because those 2 homework problems weren't homework at all. They were 2 famous, previously unsolved statistical problems. The professor had simply written them on the board as examples of puzzles that no one had ever cracked. Think about that for a second. George, just by showing up and doing the work, had accidentally solved the impossible. He hadn't been told they were unsolvable, so his mind wasn't limited by that fear. This incredible breakthrough became the foundation for his life's work, leading to the creation of the simplex method. And what is the simplex method, you ask? Only one of the most important algorithms ever created. It's the engine behind linear programming, which is used globally to optimize everything from airline schedules and shipping routes to manufacturing and energy grids. It literally shapes our modern world, saving industries billions of dollars and countless hours. All because one student wasn't afraid of a tough homework assignment. So the next time you're faced with a challenge that seems impossible, remember George Dantzig. Don't let the unsolvable label stop you. Your curiosity and your effort are powerful beyond measure. You never know, your next homework assignment might just change everything. Stay curious and keep feeding your studying machine.